Hi there, financial enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered yourself daydreaming about the possibility of money flowing into your bank account while you are sipping on a tropical drink, lounging on the beach? Well, you are not alone. Today, we are about to embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of creating passive income. And who better to guide us than the legendary Robert Kiyosaki, the mind behind Rich Dad Poor Dad. So grab your notepads because we are about to explore 8 game-changing ways to make your money work for you. Welcome to Lux King. What is passive income? Before we explore into the strategies, let's quickly recap what passive income is. Passive income is money earned with little to no effort on your part. It's about making your money work for you. According to Robert Kiyosaki, creating passive income streams is a key component of achieving financial independence. Real estate investments. Now let's kick things off with the cornerstone of wealth creation. Real estate investments. Picture this: owning properties that not only provide shelter but also shower you with a steady stream of passive income. It's like having your own personal money-making machines. Robert Kiyosaki swears by the power of real estate, and here's why you should too. Firstly, rental properties. Imagine tenants paying you mortgage, and even better, putting extra cash in your pocket every month. It's like having others contribute to your financial success. But wait, there's more. Real estate appreciation. As property values increases over time, so does the value of your investment. It's like planting a money tree that grows while you sleep. Kiyosaki often says, don't wait to buy real estate. Buy real estate and wait. Now let's talk leverage. Real estate allows you to use other people's money, tenants' rent, to pay off your mortgage. It's a financial juggling act that can lead to substantial profits. But here's the catch. Real estate isn't about buying any property. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of doing your homework, understanding the market, and making strategic decisions. So, if you are ready to turn bricks into a financial fortress, real estate might just be your golden ticket to passive income paradise. Stick around because we got more financial wisdoms coming your way. Dividend stocks. Now let's shift our focus to another income generating powerhouse, dividend stocks. Imagine this: your money not only grows over time, but it pays you regularly, just like a loyal friend who keeps showing up with a paycheck. That's the magic of dividend stocks. Robert Kiyosaki is a big supporter of this strategy, and for good reason. When you invest in dividend-paying stocks, you become a shareholder in a company. And here's the beauty of it. These companies share a portion of their profits with you in the form of dividends. It's like getting a slice of the financial pie without having to manage the company yourself. But wait, there's more to this financial feast. Reinvesting your dividends can supercharge your wealth. It's like planting seeds that grow into more dividend-paying trees, creating a cycle of wealth building that can snowball over time. Kiyosaki often emphasizes the importance of building a diversified portfolio of dividend stocks. This not only mitigates risk, but ensures that your passive income is not dependent on the success of a single company. Create and sell intellectual property. Let's dive into a realm where your creativity becomes the currency. Creating and selling intellectual property. Have you ever dreamed of turning your passion into a profit? Well, Robert Kiyosaki suggests it's not just a dream, it's a strategic move towards passive income. Imagine writing a book, crafting an online course, or investing in the next must-have gadget. Now picture this: every time someone buys your creation, you are making money, even while you are catching up on your favorite TV show or enjoying a well-deserved vacation. Kiyosaki often stresses the importance of leveraging your unique skills and talents. Whether you are a wordsmith, an artist, there is potential to turn your intellectual property into a perpetual income stream. But here's the kicker: it's not just about the initial sale. Intellectual property can offer residual income through licensing and royalties. It's like getting paid every time your creation is used or reproduced. Now, this might sound like a fairy tale, but it requires dedication and, of course, the initial effort to create something of value, whether you are an aspiring author, content creator, or an inventor. The world is hungry for what you have to offer. Network marketing. Network marketing is a realm where your social connections become the catalyst of financial success. Have you ever thought about turning your network a net worth? Well, Robert Kiyosaki believes network marketing is a powerful avenue for building passive income. Think of it as a community-driven business model where you not only sell products but also empowers others to do the same. It's like building a financial tribe, and as your network grows, so does your income. Kiyosaki often emphasizes the significance of building relationships and leveraging the power of word of mouth. In network marketing, your success isn't just about your efforts. It's about the collective effort of your team. It's a win-win situation where everyone benefits from the success of the group. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Network marketing has its challenges, but here's the twist. Kiyosaki sees it as a business model that allows ordinary people to achieve extraordinary results. It's about creating a stream of passive income by leveraging the power of duplication within your network. Create a business system. Creating a business system concept is like music to an entrepreneur's ears. Robert Kiyosaki often emphasizes the importance of not just working in your business, but on your business. So how do you transform your venture into a well-oiled machine that generates passive income? Let's dive in. Imagine a business that doesn't rely solely on your daily grind, but operates efficiently, even when you are catching some well-deserved Zs. That's the power of a business system. It's like having a dedicated team of employees, except they don't need a coffee break. Kiyosaki encourages entrepreneurs to focus on building processes and systems that can operate independently. This could be an online business, a franchise, or any venture with streamlined processes. The idea is to create something scalable, where your time and effort today lead to ongoing returns tomorrow. But here's the kicker. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. It's about putting the right systems in places so that your business can thrive even in your absence. This might involve automation, delegation, or finding innovative ways to replicate your success. Royalties from intellectual property. Robert Kiyosaki encourages us to think beyond the initial sale of our intellectual property and to embrace the ongoing rewards that come in the form of royalties. Picture this. You write a song, publish a book, or create a piece of art, and every time someone enjoys or uses your creation, cha-ching, royalties flow into your bank account like a steady river of income, all while you are free to pursue your next masterpiece. Kiyosaki believes that leveraging your creativity isn't just about one-time payday. It's about building a legacy of earnings that can last for years, even generations. It's like planting a money tree that continues to bear fruits long after you have planted the seed. Now, it's not just reserved for the artistic elite. If you are a software developer, an inventor, or someone with a unique skill set, there is a world of opportunities to earn royalties. Licensing your creations to companies or individuals allows you to profit from your intellectual property without the day-to-day management. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a playground where your online presence can transform into a passive income powerhouse. Have you ever dreamed of earning money while you sleep? Well, Robert Kiyosaki sees affiliate marketing as the virtual golden ticket to make that dream a reality. Imagine recommending products or services you genuinely love, and every time someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's like being a digital matchmaker, connecting people with products they need, all while your bank account gets a little love too. Kiyosaki often highlights the beauty of affiliate marketing. It is accessible to anyone with an online presence, whether you are a blogger, YouTuber, or social media aficionado. You can turn your passion into profit by partnering with companies that align with your niche. But here's the magic. It's not about hard selling, it's about authentic recommendations. Kiyosaki encourages building trust with your audience. When they value your opinion and follow your recommendations, it becomes a win-win for everyone involved. And there you have it, 8 powerful ways to generate passive income according to Robert Kiyosaki. Remember, the key is not relying on just one income stream, but diversifying and building a portfolio of passive income sources. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.